Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we change data. Let's start with open shared preference service and write method update to do future void update to do int index string value write final result shared preferences get string list items write result dot remove add index write result insert value write await shared preferences dot set string list items result save. Then we open add to do screen, write variable final string question title, then write final int index add to variable to constructor save, and then we write init state write controller text editing controller, then write text write widget dot title, and then we open method on pressed write if write widget dot title dot is empty add method add to do else, and write shared preference service add shared preferences dot update to do write widget dot index write controller dot text save main dot dart, and add widget gesture detector wrap with widget and write gesture detector and add method on tab. Now we write navigator dot of context dot push material page road write context write add to screen write variable title snapshot dot data index write index save. Now we open emulator and test our result. Test 1, save, and we get result to our work. And this all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.